Good day, McVeigh, and happy Friday. Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to start today with a project by Maliha on Native Americans, the Iroquois versus the Algonquians. And so, again, it's a comparison. Um, oops. So, for example, yeah, obviously they all had a shelter to live in. The Iroquois called their shelters or their homes longhouses, where the Algonquians lived in wigwams. Um, uh, these are tribes of people that lived in the United States before the settlers from other continents came. And so we have a sample of a longhouse versus a wigwam. And the League of Nations here lists the tribes in the nations. The 6 nations are the Cayuga, the Mohawk, the Oneida, Onondaga, Seneca, and Tuscarora. And so you'll be learning a lot about Native Americans, but I love this because we haven't had a project on Native Americans before. So, Maliha, thank you. This is the first one, and we've had the Get Smart show for a long time. Then we have some Getting Smart Through Math by Zion and Isa. This is multiplication, division, triple digit. So I don't know if you can see that because it's loose leaf, but Isa used a Post-it note instead of throwing something out. Took care of it. All right, moving along. I have another cool use of a tissue box. This is by Anaya, who, kind of like we've seen with the buckets, when I go inside, I have little cool messages inside and little things made of paper. And then last but certainly not least, I have some Getting Smart Through Art today. And some of these are exceptional. I mean, just take a look. This is done freehand. Look at that. This is by Khaleesi in room 208. That is an amazing piece of art. This one is some excellent coloring and artwork as well by Khaleesi. I mean, just exceptional vision there. And this is by Bryn. This is freehand, a sketch of Charlotte's Web. And I'm going to say, this is not, my screen is not doing this justice, but just look at the expression on, each of the faces. It's so well done. So, Bryn, super job. Moving on to the mystery number Wordle. So, let me just say, Talbots, the Paredes, then we had Ariana, Maddie, Aiden, Ava, Sarah, and then Nico, Vincenzo, Umeo. Actually, all of room 103, it says at this point. All got the mystery number. I'm sorry, the Wordle. And then I'm going to talk about the mystery number because I only had 1, 2, 3. 3 actually get the real number, and then 2 that came up with something very close. But this one was a little bit complicated. So my word was giving because we are in the month of giving. So here's our glued sound. And I didn't give this clue, but I could have that the first and last letter were the same. Okay. Now, I said these are consecutive numbers. So if they're consecutive order numbers, they have to go in order. So the number would be 5, 6, 7. Now, I got many guesses at 365, which was an excellent guess, a 100% excellent guess, because again, that would make these two odd, with the even in the middle, and we should be giving 365 days, 100%. So why is it 5, 6, 7 then? Because my clue here was consecutive. And my wordle is giving. All right. So we think of giving as being something that we do at certain times of the year. But it should be 365 days, as said the Jalvins and others. And it should be consecutively. It should not just be a random sort of, we should be thinking about how to continue doing it. That's the important thing about giving, is that it just keeps going. It's continuous. And so that's why I had the 5, 6, 7. It's supposed to be continuous. It keeps going. It keeps going. It's not just 1 month a year. So then it would have a ... 8, 9, 10 because it keeps going. All right. And now it's time for our Mighty Kind Moment of the Day. Let's get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So the Mighty Kind Moment of the Day, I'm going back into my little bucket and pulling out a strip. Sorry, I can't read that one. Okay. Oh, yeah, so this one says be a bucket filler. Now, we've heard that before, but I don't think we think about it that often. How to fill a bucket. Saying hello in the hallway, using manners, asking somebody how their day is, asking them how their weekend was, asking somebody to sit with you at lunchtime or play with you at recess. Bucket filling is a little bit different than kindness. Kindness is going above and beyond. Bucket filling is your everyday conversation that's positive for people. And of course, boys and girls, anybody can. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, a mighty kind, mighty mind. And every day, boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.